something. I just can't think of what it is.
You have now tuned into another Jess for TV production.
Hello everyone, Jess for TV here on your screen, back with another video. If you've been here before, welcome back guys. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Go ahead and mash that subscribe button and stay a while. So today I'm so super excited to film this video for you guys. I've been like interested, like really loving Jeep since like 2014. Wranglers, that is, to be specific. Don't get it twisted. Today I'm going to give you guys a tour of my 2019 Jeep Wrangler Sahara Unlimited 4x4. Let's get it. All right, so let's start on the outside. Okay, so this is my Jeep. It has the 2-inch lift kit with the big tires and the popping rims. Not really sure what they are. They were factory. And then in the back, you know, you got your spare. Once you open this door, here's the back. We got the Alpines. Back here, I just keep my chairs, my daughter's chair, and my bag for when I take my front 2 tops off. And because we generally never know like where we're gonna end up, I always have a fan because I be hot. I don't know about y'all, but this fan be coming in handy. And then down here, I just have a few essentials. I got some tire shine, tire sponge, some Febreze, some hand warmers for the winter, my spare tire little cap thing, and I believe what's in here is like spark plugs, maybe. I'm not sure. And then it has like these little cool things where if you take the back off, you could put your screws in so that you don't lose them. And yeah, that's the back. All right, so let's hop in the front seat. All right, so here in the front, you know, you have your dash. And then, you know, you have your Prindle. I have a bunch of air fresheners because I love for my car to smell good and whatnot. One of the cool features of Jeeps, if you know about this Jeep life, the window operators are in the center, so it's weird getting into somebody else's car and, you know, it's over here. I'm always just like pressing right here. So yep. And then I also have air vent clips with air freshener in each one. In here I just have my Chipotle napkins. As you know, we can't get these Chipotle napkins like we used to because Chipotle be handing them out to you. And then I have my screws to take my doors off, my manual, my registration, all that good stuff in here. You know, you got some straws if you want to have a drinky drink. Here I have my charger just so I can play, you know, Apple CarPlay. This car has Apple CarPlay, but my phone's not hooked up right now. You have your climate control. You can do your heated seats, the backup camera. When you play your Bluetooth, and then the XM radio, and then the regular radio, which I never listen to. And then here I just keep a little knife. Run up on me if you want to, psych. And then here in the top part, I just have some hand sanitizer, some Lysol. You know, you need your corkscrew with your bottle opener. Again, for the drinky drinks, I got a lighter, some band-aids, and a garage opener. And then in the big part, I keep some cups. I have my Easy Pass, extra air fresheners, a portable charger, more freshener, and some sunglasses. And then of course down here I have all my change whenever I just want to get some change. It also has the port for the cigarette lighter. Here, if I wanted to like hook up some LED lights and whatnot on the bottom of the truck, on the top of the truck, this is what would control them coming on. And let's go to the back seat. And then in the back seat, of course, I have a 4-year-old daughter, so she sits over there. There's her car seat. This Jeep has the pull down with the 2 cup holders. It also has the I call it a house socket, because technically this ain't supposed to be in no car, but you got your house socket. It has 2 USBs here, the windows here, and then the air conditioning vents here. And then you can just set stuff here. You can set your phone here. I have an umbrella in the back of my seat in case it rains. If you notice here, again, my 4-year-old, we had some slime accidents. I'm not really sure what happened. And we have the more speakers at the top. This whole top comes off. I've actually never taken it off. Maybe one day we can get it popping. That's basically my Jeep. I'm so in love with Jeeps. This is my 2nd Jeep. White Jeep was a 2015. This is a 2019. I can't wait for a few years because your girl's gonna upgrade again. Jeep life. All right guys, I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my Jeep tour, and I hope this inspires somebody to go buy a Jeep. See you guys in my next one. Bye.